Research by scholars studying Ogbuchi among the Igbo of Umunri and Ikem confirms that women, just as men, have their personal chi, their personal shrines, and their personal practices of calling upon their chi. A woman's chi altar, whether the former Ogbuchi tree or the quieter Idochi stone altar, is just as sacred as a man's. How is Ikpotu Chi done? Now let's discuss the ritual in detail. Now we come to the heart of our discussion, the actual practice. Ikpotu Chi follows a sacred sequence of preparation, invocation, offering, communion, and closing. Let us walk through each step. Mmezi onwe, purification of self. Before calling upon the divine, the practitioner must cleanse themselves physically and spiritually. In Igbo spirituality, there is the concept of Nso, sacred prohibition, and Onono, spiritual pollution. You cannot call upon your chi while carrying spiritual pollution or Nso. Purification may involve bathing with specific leaves or herbs prescribed by a dibia, such as Ogirisi leaves, a sacred plant in Ordinary, Nchanwu, scent leaf, or Nkwenu palm fronds. The practitioner washes their hands, face, and sometimes their entire body. The intent is not just physical cleanliness, it is a deliberate shedding of their weight of ordinary life, a preparation to meet the divine. During this step, the practitioner is also silent, quieting the mind, releasing the anxieties and distractions of Owa, the physical world, so that they can be fully present in the sacred space they are about to create. The step 2 is Ikete Chi, preparing the sacred space and shrine. Ikpotu Chi is performed at one's Chi shrine, the Chi. This shrine may be a sacred Obu tree planted in the compound, or a stone altar, Idomkumechi, or a wooden effigy or figure representing the Chi. The shrine is the physical residence of the Chi in this world, the point of contact between Uwamwo and Owa. The sacred space is cleaned and arranged. Any old offsprings are respectfully cleared. Fresh ogrishi leaves may be placed around the shrine. The practitioner face east, the direction of Anyanwu, the rising sun, from whom the chi descends. This is particularly important at daybreak, which is the most potent time for Ikpotu Chi, as the Igbo believe the chi is closest to the earth when the sun first appears. Now, step 3, Iji Oji, the breaking and blessing of kola nuts. No sacred ritual in Ordinary begins without